So we have no off-the-shelf products. Every product is unique and they are very customized to fulfill our customers' requirements.
So we have 5 main product platforms: engineered fasteners, customized bearings, customized seals, torque components, and precision molded components and assemblies.
Normally they're not seen by the customer,
but everybody uses it.
It's subcomponents within all these bigger systems that make that larger component work.
What is special about EQYO is that every single detail of our components are designed around the customer requirements.
We want our customers to be able to develop as fast as the market is demanding it, and also with the certainty that what we are developing and offering is going to work.
Our components go through strict testing and audit criteria all over the world, and so the finished products are always of high quality.
Great product with excellent service. Who wouldn't want it?